Hi everyone, here's another new Casio in my collection. This is the MTP-V006L-7B, with a white dial and Roman numerals. A 38 mm diameter, and water resistance of 3 bar. It has a leather strap, and it's a very nice, elegant watch. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. My wrist circumference is around 16 to 17 centimeters. Lately, I've been liking smaller watches more. It's very nice. It has a day and date function at the 3 o'clock position on the dial. Let's take a closer look now. A very beautiful watch. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, take care.